Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can hide number of likes on Instagram post, as well as you can also turn off commenting on Instagram posts. So let me go here and type instagram.com, and now you can see here I have published a post. So let me go here and click on three dots. Now here you can see different options: hide like count to others, as well as turn off commenting. So let me go here, and now I selected this one, and now here you can see it is changed to unhide like count. So also you can turn off commenting. Then now comment option is also removed. So now you can turn on commenting back if you want.